The African savanna, a land of vast grasslands, scattered trees and incredible wildlife. This unique ecosystem stretches across several countries, providing a home to a diverse array of species. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the savanna is teeming with life. Among these creatures, few are as impressive as the African buffalo. Known for their sheer size and strength, these animals are a sight to behold. Their imposing horns and muscular build make them one of the most formidable herbivores in the savanna. These powerful animals are an integral part of the ecosystem. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the savanna, grazing on grasses and helping to shape the landscape. Their presence ensures that the grasslands remain healthy and vibrant. They are a symbol of the savanna's raw beauty and untamed spirit. The sight of a buffalo standing tall against the backdrop of the setting sun is a reminder of the wild and untamed nature of this land. Their deep grunts and the thunder of their hooves are iconic sounds of the African wilderness. These sounds echo across the plains, a testament to the buffalo's presence and power. The herd's movements are synchronized, a dance of nature that has been perfected over millennia. To witness a herd of buffalo moving across the plains is to witness nature's raw power and majesty. The ground shakes beneath their weight and the air is filled with the dust they kick up. It's a spectacle that leaves a lasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to see it. They are a true testament to the strength and resilience of the natural world. Despite the challenges they face, from predators to changing climates, the African buffalo endures. Their story is one of survival and adaptation, a true reflection of the spirit of the savanna. African buffalo are found across sub-Saharan Africa. These majestic creatures are a symbol of the wild, roaming freely across vast landscapes. Their presence is a testament to the rich biodiversity of the region. They thrive in a variety of habitats. From the dense forests to the open plains, African buffalo have adapted to survive in diverse environments. Their ability to thrive in such varied conditions is a remarkable feat of nature. These include grasslands, swamps, and even forests. Each habitat offers unique challenges and resources, and the buffalo have learned to navigate them all. In the grasslands, they find ample grazing opportunities, while the swamps provide a cool refuge from the heat. However, their ideal habitat is savanna. The open savanna offers a perfect balance of food and water, making it the preferred home for these animals. The wide open spaces allow them to move freely and find the resources they need. This landscape, with its mix of open grasslands and watering holes, provides everything they need to survive. The grasslands offer abundant food, while the watering holes ensure they stay hydrated. This combination is essential for their survival. The savanna's rainy season brings an abundance of fresh grass. This period is crucial for the buffalo, as it allows them to build up their strength and energy reserves. The lush green savanna becomes a haven for grazing. This is the buffalo's main source of food. They rely heavily on the grass to sustain themselves, and the rainy season ensures there is plenty to go around. The buffalo spend much of their time feeding, ensuring they get the nutrients they need. They are grazers, spending a large portion of their day eating. This constant grazing is necessary to maintain their large size and strength. The buffalo's diet is primarily composed of grass, which they consume in large quantities. Access to water is crucial for these large animals. Without regular access to water, they would not be able to survive in the harsh conditions of the savanna. Water is essential for their overall health and well-being. They need to drink regularly, especially during the hot summer months. The intense heat can be challenging, but the buffalo have adapted to these conditions. By staying close to watering holes, they ensure they remain hydrated and healthy. African buffalo are imposing creatures. They have a distinctive appearance that sets them apart from other grazers. They are massive animals with bulls or males weighing up to 2,000 pounds. Their thick dark hide is covered in sparse hair. This gives them a prehistoric, almost armored appearance. Perhaps their most striking feature is their horns. These horns are massive and curve outwards and upwards. The horns are a formidable weapon, used for defense against predators. They also play a role in establishing dominance within the herd. African buffalo are highly social animals. They live in herds that can range in size from a few dozen to several hundred individuals. Living in a herd offers numerous advantages in the harsh savanna environment. The herd provides safety in numbers. Predators are less likely to attack a large group. Within the herd, there is a defined social structure. Older, experienced females typically lead the herd. They guide the group to the best grazing areas and water sources. Section 5. Facing down danger. Despite their size and strength, African buffalo face threats from predators. Lions, leopards, and hyenas are their main enemies. These predators are attracted to young, old, or sick buffalo that are more vulnerable. However, buffalo are not easy prey. Their large size and powerful horns are a deterrent. When threatened, the herd will form a protective circle around the vulnerable members. They will face the predator with their horns, ready to charge. This united defense is often enough to deter even the most determined predator. Section 6. Shaping the savanna. African buffalo play a crucial role in the savanna ecosystem. These majestic creatures are not just passive inhabitants, they are active participants in maintaining the balance of their environment. Their presence and activities have far-reaching impacts that benefit a multitude of other species. As large herbivores, they influence the vegetation structure of the savanna. By feeding on grasses and other plants, they help to shape the landscape. Their grazing patterns prevent any single plant species from dominating, which promotes biodiversity. Their grazing habits help to control the growth of grasses. This is particularly important in preventing the overgrowth of certain grass species, which can otherwise become invasive and choke out other plant life. By keeping these grasses in check, buffalo create a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem. This, in turn, allows other plant species to thrive. When grasses are kept at manageable levels, it opens up space and resources for a variety of other plants to grow. This diversity of plant life supports a wider range of animal species, from insects to large mammals. Their dung is also important. It acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil with essential nutrients. This process helps to maintain soil health and promotes the growth of healthy vegetation. It acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil. The nutrients in buffalo dung are broken down by decomposers like dung beetles, which further aids in soil fertility. This nutrient-rich soil supports the growth of robust plant life, which in turn supports the entire food web. This supports a diverse range of insects and other invertebrates. These small creatures play crucial roles in the ecosystem, from pollinating plants to serving as prey for larger animals. The presence of buffalo dung creates microhabitats that are essential for the survival of these invertebrates. These small creatures are a vital food source for many birds and reptiles. Insects and other invertebrates that thrive around buffalo dung provide a steady and reliable food supply for a variety of predators. This interconnected web of life ensures the stability and resilience of the savanna ecosystem. The presence of buffalo, therefore, has a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem. From the plants they graze onto the insects that thrive in their dung, buffalo influence a wide range of ecological processes. Their role in the savanna is a testament to the intricate and interconnected nature of ecosystems. Section 7. The human impact. Throughout history, humans have coexisted with African buffalo. However, in recent times, this relationship has become strained. Human activities pose significant threats to buffalo populations. Habitat loss is a major concern. As human populations grow, they encroach on buffalo territory. This leads to competition for land and resources. Disease transmission from domestic livestock is another threat. Outbreaks of diseases like rinderpest and foot and mouth disease can devastate buffalo populations. Section 8. Guardians of the Buffalo. Recognizing the importance of African buffalo, conservation organizations and governments are working to protect them. National parks and reserves have been established across Africa to provide safe havens for these animals. Anti-poaching efforts are crucial. Rangers patrol protected areas to deter illegal hunting. Community-based conservation programs are also essential. These initiatives involve local communities in conservation efforts. This helps to ensure the long-term survival of buffalo populations. Section 9. A future for the majestic. The African buffalo is a symbol of the wild beauty and resilience of the African savanna. These magnificent creatures face challenges, yet there is hope for their future. By raising awareness, supporting conservation efforts, and promoting sustainable practices, we can help ensure that the thunder of buffalo hooves continues to echo across the savanna for generations to come. Their survival is intertwined with the health of the entire ecosystem. It is our responsibility to protect these magnificent creatures and the land they call home.